Hi everyone, and yes, here, welcome to your day number 22 of your money game, Abraham Hicks style. Now, for your meaningful money day, you are going to be given today 600,000 in your own currency. So, what are you going to do with it? Tithe it, invest it, buy something with it? What are you going to do? Now, today I have chosen to put some money into the properties and to pay off some of the mortgages, as I have set some up over the 21 days with the smaller amounts that we had before. So getting this nice big lump sum, putting it into the mortgage, making it go down or getting rid of it and wiping it out completely. So I've got a property in London, a property in Sydney from doing this money game. So I'll be putting money on those. And then also getting some beautiful furniture to put inside. So doing a little bit of decorating. Living room furniture, bedroom furniture, and lovely recycled timbers, beautiful teal greens and deep Prussian blues, and really getting some big candles, big candle holders, some kiln rugs, things like that. So let me know down below what you are going to be doing with yours and who it's for today. And I will see you tomorrow in the next day as we are getting into the final part of this money game. We've got about another 10 days to go. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Lots of love. And I look forward to seeing what you're spending your money on down in the thread below.